Hi, everybody. Okay, so I'm going to bring us through this Gradescope stuff. Okay, so if you just type in Gradescope into Google, I don't even think you'd need to sign up. I think you could just log in because you do the little school credentials, Binghamton University, and then it should bring you to your web login. Okay, so I'm logged in as like a demo student. So hopefully this is what you see because this is what I see as a student. And I opened up the homework 0 so I could submit. So I click on this. So download homework 0 PDF. So that's how I could download the PDF of the problem. And so here are the instructions. You can write it on a piece of blank paper. If you do like lined paper, it often is very hard to read, especially if you use blue pen on blue lined paper. You can use a tablet or iPad or whatever. You can use Word, Google Docs, or LaTeX. But I ask you to make your PDF look like this so it's easy to search it. It's all over here and it's cut out. So I will make sure to fix that. Sorry. So homework, whatever it is, this one's 0, your last name, your first name, and then of course you need the .pdf. Okay, because I would like a PDF file to be uploaded so that I can open it. And then here are just the questions. And so I say to put the answers to question 1 through 4 on page 1, and the rest of the answers on page 2, to practice mapping questions to page numbers on Gradescope. Okay, so we'll do that together. So I'd like to submit a PDF. Please do not submit images. Those are very hard to see. So see here, you see all this stuff. And it does have the .pdf because it is a PDF. So you don't need to add that. I click upload. And so now we're like mapping out where each of the questions are. Okay, so select a question or a page. So maybe I'll select a page. And then I say all the questions that are on that page. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. And I actually, as you can maybe kind of see, that's where I actually put all the problems, right? So my name, Danica, that's question 1. My pronouns are she, her. My major, mathematics. I don't really have a major, but that's what it would be. Not taking any math classes this semester. What math classes do you plan to take in the future? Well, I love topology, algebra, and combinatorics. So those are 3 I put. But really, all math is very interesting. Do you have any concerns for this class? I have test anxiety, and that is true. I definitely have very bad test anxiety. What are you most excited for in this class? Learning how to do proofs. Well, I already know how to do proofs, but we'll learn together. And then I have 2 rabbits. So you could put a fun fact. Sometimes this is where people talk about their test anxiety or something. Whatever it is that you'd like me to know. So now I would click submit. Yay! Look it. I got my grades. Okay, so I can look at each question. So I got a point because it's filled in. And then the rest of them are negative. I'm not sure why, but it's filled in, so I got a full point. Full point, full points. And then this was for the topology, algebra, combinatorics. And then here, question 6, you see I got the full points. And then the instructor, aka me, so that's understandable. The syllabus has a few resources you can try to use to help with that. And then the next one, the instructor, aka me, said great. That was about the learning how to do proofs, how I'm excited to do that. And then I said, they're so cute. Okay, so So you can go through and you can see what I wrote